Business is the Google search of consumer data, or what you would even call Google Trends Ultimate. My name is Adrian, and I'm the founder of Ticker Trends. This is a business that we've been working on for a few years now. At Ticker Trends, what we do is we take data from a variety of sources that would typically cost tens of thousands of dollars and combine it into one platform that allows users to analyze this time series data for only $20 a month. So what we do on our platform has inherent value, and it builds on publicly available data, all aggregated into one platform and available to users in one interface in order to extract as much value from this data as possible. We built this platform with financial markets in mind, so you can search for anything on our platform, anywhere from any keyword to any public business, and retrieve lots and lots of data which you can turn into actionable insights. Just to give a preview of the type of data that we have on our platform, we have things like Google Trends. So of course we incorporate all of the basics when it comes to being Google Trends Ultimate, which is just the regular Google Trends data, like the regular Google Trends, Google Shopping, YouTube. But we also have other data sources such as Reddit posts data, TikTok hashtag data, web traffic data, Android and iOS usage data, Amazon product search data, Wikipedia page view data, SEO page view data, as well as many, many other data sources such as social media posts, earnings transcripts, the subdomains of websites. So you can even get data like Amazon.com/Prime or Hoka.com/cart, job posting data, and another data source for web traffic. So essentially what we've done on our platform is we've taken all of these data sources, which are things that are just Google Trends itself, but even more data sources. For example, web traffic, which alone, if you went to any other provider of data, you would have to pay tens of thousands of dollars for. And we've combined it into this interface where not only can you easily interact with this data, but you can also add new values and customize the data as much as you want. So to give an example, I've searched for Lululemon, and when I've searched for Lululemon, behind my face on the left, there are search results for what I've searched for. And the first thing you'll see displayed on the chart is an aggregate value of the performance of the Lululemon business based on all of these data sources combined together. And then of course, if I want to see any individual data source, then I can go to these results like the web traffic trend. I can view the shop.lululemon.com web traffic data, and I can plot that on the chart. So this really is the ultimate version of Google Trends, because not only can I see regular Google Trends values, which I can display on the chart as well, such as Lululemon men's, and this is the exact same data that you would view on the regular Google Trends platform, but I can also combine that data with other data sources that are not available on that platform, and then interact with that data in ways that would not be possible on Google Trends as well, such as viewing the year-over-year performance of that data, combining the data into different intervals to make it easier to analyze for my end goal, converting this data into a volumetric number. So instead of Google Trends being that base 0 to 100 number, this volumetric mode will convert that into an actual search volume number if there is sufficient data. So in the case of Lululemon, when I've converted that to volumetric, now you can see that this is the actual search volume estimate number for this search term over time. And not only can I look at this for Lululemon, but I can quite literally search for anything. So I can search for something like Monster Energy and search that as a term. Again, this is retrieving results from our database of values. And if I see something that I want to view, like Monster Energy Max, which is an energy drink, and that is also a Google Trends term, then I can plot that on the chart as if it were Google Trends. Or I can view other things like the web traffic for Monster Energy, which was automatically retrieved based on my search term Monster Energy. And if there were to be a value that was here that I didn't already know or that I wanted to add that didn't show up in the results, then I can go to the quick add section, type in any value here, such as Monster Energy near me, and collect that value, retrieve the value, and add it to the platform in real time. And I can do that for any data type. So this is the basis of Ticker Trends, which is searching for different values, whether it be companies or keywords, plotting data from all these different data sources, and using all of these data sources in one place on a chart together. Or, of course, interpreting this data and discovering new opportunities within the corpus of data, which can be done through some of the other pages on the platform, such as on Exploding Trends. We have many different features to be able to view what terms are increasing the most on different intervals. We even have different ways to interpret this data with outliers. So I can see out of the highest volume terms with outliers, which things are performing the best. So here I can see that the HERS trend, which is from the business Hims and Hers, is performing abnormally well compared to its seasonal trend that it's had in the past. And this is a very high volume term, so it's been sorted to the top. So I can do different things like this, which is looking at the corpus of data of the different data types, whether it be web traffic, whether it be Google Trends. I can find opportunities that interest me from this corpus of data and then go to the Analyze page and view that data in far more detail, whether I want to connect it to financial markets and use it for financial market analysis, or I want to do this for competitor research, private market research, essentially anything that you'd use Google Trends for, you can do on Ticker Trends, but even better with more data sources, more ways to analyze the data, and more ways to discover opportunities within the data, all of which has some level of time series from all the different data sources that I displayed at the very beginning. So if you're interested in this, feel free to check out our website, tickertrends.io, where we publish research using our data for various public companies. We talk a lot about different opportunities within our data on Twitter, and we even operate a hedge fund using a lot of this data that we collect. And of course, if you're interested in the platform subscription is only $20 a month, which for the type of data which we offer is exceedingly an incredible value. We also offer an $80 a month subscription and enterprise subscription for anyone who is looking to have even more additional functionality that they're not able to find anywhere else. If you're interested, check out our website, tickertrends.io. I look forward to seeing you